Welcome to the SimForm tutorial. SimForm is a cutting-edge web application that quickly predicts mold temperatures, optimizes cooling channel placement, and simplifies thermal analysis for your mold designs, saving you time and effort. Sign up for a free trial today and experience the convenience and efficiency of SimForm. In this step-by-step demo, I will show you how to use the basic mold in SimForm to perform preliminary thermal analysis on your plastic part before the mold is designed. This allows you to identify the hot areas in your plastic part that require cooling. Consequently, you can make informed decisions during the initial mold and plastic part design phase, saving valuable time and resources by avoiding potential issues in mold design. To use basic mold, you must upload a CAD file to SimForm containing either a plastic part or a plastic part with cooling channels without the need for mold components. Use Basic Mold automatically generates a rudimentary mold with a user-defined material around the uploaded CAD model. For this example, I'll use a plastic part design of an all-terrain vehicle grille. I'll first enable Use Basic Mold. SimForm automatically generates a basic rectangular mold around the plastic part. In the Basic Mold panel, I will adjust the size of the basic mold in the X, Y, and Z directions to customize its dimensions. Then, I will expand the Select Material list and select the basic mold material, for example, P20 mold steel. Now I will hide the basic mold and select the plastic part to define it by clicking Add in the Plastic Part panel. I will expand the Select Material list and select the plastic part material, for example, acrylic. Now if your mold includes cooling channels, you should select them. Click Add in the Channel panel to categorize them and define their inlets and outlets. Watch the SimForm Defining Cooling Channels video to learn more about how to define the cooling channels in SimForm. I can now click Submit Job to solve the model. When the solve finishes, I will click Results to open the results page. In the Display Mode panel, SimForm displays the freeze time. SimForm reports the overall freeze time and the local freeze time, which show locally how long it takes for the plastic part surface to freeze enough to be safe for ejection. The results of the local freeze time indicate that the areas within the plastic part pockets have a comparatively higher local freeze time than other areas. Therefore, additional cooling efforts should be focused in this specific area during the mold design process. I can also select plastic surface or plastic volume to display the temperature distribution either on the surface or the volume of the plastic part. The plastic part surface temperature distribution shows that the high temperature zones are located in the central area of the plastic part. I can also select mold and use cutting plane to display the temperature distribution inside the basic mold volume. The basic mold in SimForm allows you to evaluate the thermal performance of your plastic part designs, taking into account the mold material without the need for a fully designed mold. This allows you to make informed decisions early in the design process, saving valuable time and resources. Experience the efficiency and convenience of SimForm by incorporating the basic mold feature in your mold design workflow. Thank you for watching this tutorial.